All right, I think I am live. Actually, I have to check and make sure it works because I don't have my PlayStation right now. And I'm doing all this on my phone. Like I said, chat, this is all on my phone, all by myself. So, like I said, I don't have a PC yet, so I can't really stream weather events like this. But it's okay. I think it's working now. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I am gonna go out and check and see if y'all can hear me well. See if y'all can hear me just fine without any like glitches or anything. I'm gonna check right now actually. Um Okay, y'all can hear me, but it's like it looks pretty foggy, not gonna lie. Can y'all see well? Is this well? Like, does this look detailed? Or not detailed, but like, does it look like good at least? Like, it's not glitchy, it's not, messed up or anything. But the looks of it, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Doesn't look bad, doesn't look bad. It looks okay. It looks a little glitchy, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep it on just in case anything happens. I do have to like test a lot of things. I'm gonna have to put this on the charger because I have to watch my battery while I'm streaming because I don't want my battery going out while I'm streaming. All right, so I'm gonna move everything out the way real quick because I'm not fully prepared, 100% prepared, but I'm getting there. So this is my first live stream on my phone, like real live stream, not a test stream, and I want to like be live for this event. I'm going to try to go live for every weather event that happens. Like today there's an enhanced risk. I don't know if y'all seen the video or not, but there is an enhanced risk. I can show you the data real quick. Nothing's changed yet. They said they were going to upgrade to a moderate risk possibly, but that never happened. So, I mean, that's a good thing. The convection definitely had an uptick, which is interesting because there's absolutely nothing over here. That's I feel like they're going to upgrade this area risk area. Like it just looks bad. Cuz Louisiana right now, it's a lot of convection, there is some storms, but they're not anything interesting. I don't see any rotation anywhere. So, I don't think they're well, right here. I'm looking at a little bit of rotation right here, actually. We do have to watch that, actually. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see if I could do the double screen thing. Where is it at? How do you do it? That's the wrong thing. Here we go. Let's do this. Yeah, here we go. This is better. This is better. I'm gonna do the double screen only because I feel like it's a better opportunity to look at the velocity and reflectivity. By the way, the reflectivity is the one at the top where it just shows the red, greens, yellows, and sometimes purples and all that. And on the bottom it shows the velocity, which is rotation in the atmosphere. Like, okay, for example, like this, right? Greens are going towards the radar, reds are going away from the radar. So in the middle, there's always rotation. And that's what kind of this storm is doing. There's a little bit of rotation, actually. If I can play this out, let's see what it looks like. I'm going to play it out real quick, actually. It's sort of rotating, but it's not. The rotation, I think, is like right in this area. Yeah, you can kind of see the curvature of the storm. So that is interesting to look at. Yeah, just tell me how, if you are in the chat, just tell me how the stream really is. But other than that, let's focus on the storm chasers. So we got, I think this is Vince Welty right here. Is that Brad? Who's this? Brandon Kopic. I don't look at their streams because I don't want to get like copyright strike or anything. You got the Ryan Hall team out there in Alexandria, and I think that's Brad Arnold or Brett Adair. No, that's Brad Arnold, I think, right? Yeah, Brad Arnold. All right, that's Brad Arnold out there, and they're all down there chasing the storms. You have some people stationed in Mississippi. There are live cameras we can use. Like, yeah, here we go right here. This is a live camera we can use and see if there is a tornado on its way over there. Or something that happens. Who knows? And this storm is so weird right here. It's rotating, but it's like not a storm. It's so unorganized, I guess you could say. I don't know how to explain it. But right now there doesn't seem to be much happening with these storms. Other than just damaging winds and maybe small hail. I'm not sure. Because this is where the tornado watch is actually at. I can read this out to y'all. Let's look at the probabilities. 70% chance of a tornado. Overall tornado threat. And a 50% chance of an EF2 to an EF5. That's a little scary, not gonna lie. Overall wind threat is 50%, 70 mile per hour winds plus is a 20%. Hail is a 40%, and 2 inches plus hail is a 30%. Overall severe weather hazard is at 80%. So basically we're gonna see some severe weather today is what it's saying. Excuse me, I just woke up too, so I'm a little, not tired, but trying to get myself together. Let's see. Okay, so the primary threats include a few tornadoes likely with a couple of intense tornadoes possible. Scattered large hail and isolated large hail events to 2 inches in diameter possible. Scattered damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. Thunderstorms will continue to intensify this afternoon and evening while posing a threat for large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. There has also been a threat for strong tornadoes through this evening with any supercells that can be sustained. So, yeah, basically what it's saying is that there's any supercell up. We have a severe thunderstorm warning now. This needs to be watched. Yeah, tornado possible. We were just looking at this just now. As you can see, there's rotation in the middle right here. You can kind of see where the hook is kind of at. I think that's where the hook is at. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100%. But you can see the rotation on our radar. We definitely peeped that out. There definitely is some rotation. It's not as potent or not as, noticeable. But you can see it. There's red touching green, basically. And this is here. This is near Hornbeck. Hornbeck, was this Louisiana? Yep, Hornbeck, Louisiana. So if y'all are in that severe thunderstorm warning, Hornbeck, Anacoco, I think that's how you pronounce it. In I-171. I think that's I-171 or 171. I don't know. Whatever that highway is, if you are in that severe thunderstorm warning, be aware of intense winds and possibly even a tornado touchdown if this intensifies further on. And also watch out for small hail too, because I think there's like a little bit of a hail core like right up in here in this area of the storm right here. Oh, actually, we just got a radar update. That is definitely trying to hook. So you can see, chat, if I zoom out, this storm is trying to take the shape of a supercell. As you can see, it's trying to take the shape, but right now it's bowing out. So what that's telling me, like, what that's telling me is that it is outflow dominant right now, which I think that's the case. It's outflow dominant. It's like bowing out a little bit. Like I said, this is just the beginning. These storms are just getting started. They're supposed to intensify, and I think they will intensify as, you know, it goes on. So I will keep an eye on the storm, just in case. This storm, I think, is moving northeast like this. So if you are in that general vicinity, just look out for this storm. And look out for any storms at that, not just this one. Yeah, it's a lot of heavy rain, a lot of savvy storm action. This is the only actual, like, concerning looking storm right now. Besides this thing down here, I don't know what this is trying to do, but there's rotation somehow. Let me see. Yeah, nothing else seems to be happening. The main focus is this storm, so let's just keep focused on this storm and let's see if it intensifies further on. Okay, I think you get radar updates every 3 to 5 minutes around that time period, so we'll see the next update coming up soon. I'm gonna take a drink of water real quick because I will be talking a lot. I already can see it. All right. Refreshing. I don't have a face cam, by the way, because I can't have a face cam on my phone. And that wouldn't even make sense anyway, because I will be moving my phone around a lot. Let's read the severe thunderstorm warning description. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Just nothing else to see. Just a tornado possible. It's the only thing I see. And 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So, like I said, watch out for the damaging ones in this, because there could be some. And also, this right here, it's not looking good. It looks like it's starting to rotate like that. This might start to like hook here. I'm not sure. We just got an update. Actually, let me see something. It's trying to hook, but it's bowing out a lot. Y'all can see that it's bowing out. When it bows out like that, that means there's very strong damaging winds. I don't think there's necessarily a imminent tornado threat with a storm anymore. I mean, there is a threat, there is rotation, but it's just like it's outflow dominant. It's bowing out a lot, so I don't think this is gonna be a problem for anybody right now. So, but I would still take shelter just in case. In Hornbeck, in Anacoco, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Let me know in the chat how to pronounce it. I would still take shelter though, not be outside anywhere near this storm because it is a pretty dangerous storm. You still got 60-mile-per-hour winds. It's almost just as bad as tornadoes. If not, they could be even worse. Let's see if there's any other storm that's looking promising. This continues to just have rotation somehow right there. I think it's this little bit right here that's hooking. Actually, just updated. This could possibly become a severe warning storm and possibly become a supercell later on. Right now it's deorganized. It's not anything crazy, but we still need to watch that. Nothing interesting right there. I am going to pick a radar spot real quick. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I want to see what it looks like from different radar POVs. The storms. This one's trying to do it. It's not succeeding now. Like, it's going right between Hornbeck and Anacoco. It's about to go right over I-71 or I-171. I don't know. I'm going to just call it 171 or Hobby 171. Yeah, I'm going to just call it that to make it easier. All right, now it's about to hit 3 o'clock, so yeah, I'm not worried about this storm anymore. Look at this chat. It's bowing out. No tornado threat imminent with this storm, so we don't have to worry. I also will take breaks here and there for, drink some water, and I might have to, like, go somewhere to get something, too, because I am getting a new animal today, and I might have to, like, pause the stream, if not end it and redo a new one. So, yeah, stay aware of that. But right now, let's just keep an eye on this storm, or these storms in general. Nothing interesting happening is happening right now. We did just get an update. We can check the rotation now. Rotation is kind of there, but I think that's just damaging winds, honestly. Rotation is a little bit there on the other storm. Other than that, there's not much else I see. This is the only promising looking storm. And it's not even promising anymore. Just, it's bowing out. This is just a whole convection mess up here. This area, that's just a mess. Down here is also a mess, but this storm is trying to become by itself. What I would be concerned about is these storms down here, right? If they move up to the northeast into the prime environment area, I feel like they're going to definitely intensify into supercells and cause some sort of tornadoes. I don't know what. That's why I said Jackson, Mississippi, Iowa. Yeah, like, look at this. There's not a single raindrop in this area. Like, this whole area is completely clear. It's just asking for development. Like, that's what it's asking for. But yeah, I would really watch this. Or watch these storms down here. Because I feel like they can develop into something. Like, look at this. Like, look at that. That is already curving. Because it's by itself, too. It's curving. Matter of fact, let's check the velocity. There's no rotation I don't see. But it is starting to curve. Like, you can see some of these storms are starting to, like, curve a little bit. Which is concerning. Like, little pieces of rain and stuff. They're by themselves. Like I said, let them move northeast like this into an environment where there's no other storms at, and they can just take all the ingredients by themselves. They will form into a potent supercell for sure. So I would highly watch that if I were y'all. Did they just... Oh, they took the mesoscale discussion away. There is some interaction. So weird looking. We'll see what they do here, the National Weather Service. I don't think that's a tornado warning storm for me. I wouldn't issue that tornado warning. It doesn't look promising. None of these storms actually look promising right now, except for the ones down here. But there's no rotation yet for them, so I wouldn't even be worried about them yet. Let's check the Houston radar. So what's down here? Houston, just a couple of rain showers and that's it right now. Lake Charles, Louisiana. Yeah, nothing's happening. This is the hot spot right now. But let's look at this picture again. All right, so there are clouds in the sky now that I think about it. But well, yeah, as you can see there is clouds in the sky. There's actually a threat level. I don't want to get, hopefully I don't get copyright strike, but this is what it looks like right now. This is near Jackson, Mississippi. There is a lot of clouds actually. Actually, let me go to the radar itself. Yeah, there's polka dot showers and stuff, but it's not really anything interesting. Like, it looks like there will be no clouds in this area. Only from here, because this is where the storms are coming from at. So, that, like I said, there will probably be clouds in, like, this area. Because they're probably, like, storm cloud-looking things. I don't know. Y'all seen it in my videos. I know Hattiesburg, they are getting, like, showers and thunderstorms over there. Same thing with Meridian, Mississippi. I would still be on the lookout for Mississippi, honestly. Mississippi is a tornado magnet, honestly. They've been getting a lot of tornadoes this year. I'm also curious to see if this storm will, like, recycle its rotation and will just, like, let go of this mess right here and just, you know, just make another hook. We'll see what happens. Because right now it looks a mess. It's not doing anything interesting. I'm gonna get another drink of water real quick. I'm actually gonna go to the stream thing. I've been streaming for 24 minutes. Make sure everything. Alright. Everything should be fine. Yeah, there's no need to pause right now. Let's go to radar scope now. I haven't been on this app in like forever. Oops. Yeah, let's look at radar scope. Let's see what's going on here. Whoa, see, this one updated. This one updates a little faster than Radar Omega. But I sincerely recommend Radar Omega. It's trying. It is 100% trying. This is a supercell, guys. Right here, this is 100% a supercell. But it's not a promising one. There's, you know, you can see the shape of it. You can see it. But it's not doing anything. Not right now. I don't see anything else interesting. Actually, let's turn on the velocity again. There are really high winds up here. I'm surprised there's no severe thunderstorm warning for this. Yeah, it's really high winds up there. Let's go back to radar. Radar Omega. Okay, there's the update. Let's see what the velocity looks like. It is really trying, guys. It's trying to hook, but it's not gonna do it, I don't think. It doesn't have enough like time. I think it's gonna get eaten up by this mess. But what we can do is look at these models real quick. So 18Z is out. Let's look at the 18Z. Let's see what it looks like. So 18Z is showing... It's showing a bunch of storms. But I think the action doesn't start around... Yeah, like 7 p.m. 7, 8 p.m., 6 p.m. I really think that around that time region, there's going to be definitely some severe weather happening for sure. They just upgraded the risk too. They just did something. Oh, okay. So they expanded the 10% risk. Not the hatch one, the 10% risk area. They expanded it further down to the southeast, and they expanded the 5% risk rapidly all the way into Alabama now. So that was a 5% in Alabama, way more in Alabama. And now this 2%, I think it shrunk. It either shrunk or got bigger. Now it definitely got bigger. Now that I think about it, they literally just updated it just now, like right in front of my face. If I have to, I will end the stream and do a new one. Only because if nothing happens right now, then I'm just gonna end it. Because I don't know if I started early or not. I just wanted to make sure I'm not late for like any serious tornado event. Oh, we have a tornado warning. Never mind. Too late. We have a tornado warning. Tornado warning for... where's it at? Northern Wind Parish in north central Louisiana. This is until... Wait, at 2:09 p.m. Central Standard Time. Radar indicated. So it's not on the ground, but there is a tornado warning now. And oh, I see now. I see. Because of this right here. You can see a little bit of green right here and a little bit of bright yellow, I guess you could say, next to it. So that's rotation right there. I can see that now. I can see that. Oh yeah. We don't really have a good radar sight for this either. But yeah, so if you guys are in Dodson, Louisiana, I think that's how you say it, or Dodson, that's a town. Melams, Louisiana. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these town names. Some of these, Bethlehem, Calvin, and what is this? It's Tanhill, I think. Hudson. These names are so wild. Was that Sykes, Louisiana? I don't know. If you're in this tornado warning box, this is in north central Louisiana, by the way. North central Louisiana. If you're in north central Louisiana, if you're north of Winfield, and in Dodson, which is like the biggest town in the tornado warning, I would take shelter like right now. Because it is coming. There is rotation. There is definitely some sort of rotation. So I would definitely watch that. You can see the curvature kind of the hook. You can see it hooking. So I would definitely be careful. This is moving northeast, I'm pretty sure. That's a terrible arrow. But you know what I'm trying to say. It's moving northeast. Moving northeast at how many miles per hour? 40 miles per hour. A lot of lightning too with this storm. This is the first tornado warning of the day, right here. First tornado warning. Let's check on this storm down here. That is not good. Chat, it's doing it. I think it's trying. If it could just hook like this, then I think we're definitely going to see some sort of action down here. I don't know, like what. Let me check the rotation real quick. Let me see how it looks, because that is a huge inflow. Yeah, inflow slot right there. Look at that. Look at all that inflow going into the storm. That's a huge inflow notch, actually. Y'all see that? Yeah, you got the inflow coming in, you got the RFD coming down. If the red flick and downdraft can like curve around more, I think we're gonna start seeing a hook and rotation. Yeah, definitely stay aware of that. I think they're gonna issue a new severe thunderstorm warning just because of that. They're probably gonna extend it up into the Highway 117 and 920. They're definitely gonna extend it. I'm confident they're gonna extend it. But let's talk about this storm. All right, we just had an update on that. Let's see what it looks like. They're still green there, but it's not as insane as it looked before the rotation. It looked way worse before. Let's check and see if there's any debris in this. No debris signature. We're good. We're good. Has anything changed? Nope. Yeah, this is moving northeast, so yeah, Monroe, I think you're safe from this storm. Yeah, you're safe. This will at some point be heading towards Vicksburg, Mississippi. So stay aware of that. Yeah, I called it. This is I literally just called it. So new severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible tag. This is for until like 45 minutes. So until 3:45, I think. No, I think this is until 4 o'clock. Well, 3 o'clock in Central Daylight Time. Because this is Central Daylight Time, not Eastern Daylight Time. It's 4 o'clock for me. But if you're in Louisiana, push it back 1 hour. And it should be 3 o'clock. Yeah, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter side sail. Still the same thing, but I called them extending this because it doesn't look. It just looks like it's gonna cause some problems. Like look at that. That's a complete hook right there, or it's trying to do a complete hook. Yeah, I think it might do it. We just need to give it more time. But sooner or later, there's probably going to be a tornado warning on this storm down here to the south. So I would definitely like watch out for that. All right, so the rotation is now in Bethlehem and Calvin, in Louisiana. It's actually more north of Bethlehem. Yeah, it's in Bethlehem. So if you're all in Bethlehem, Louisiana, take shelter like right now, because it's like right over you. This is south of Jonesboro, Louisiana. What county is this? Doesn't show me the counties, unfortunately. I can read the counties out on the tornado warning box, but I don't want to because it's the same county. What county? Actually, let me see. Wynn Parish. That's what it's called. Wynn Parish. So the biggest city in this or biggest town in this county is Winfield. That's why it's Wynn County. But Winfield is not in the tornado warning. It's north of it. So Winfield, you're good. You don't have to worry about it. I wouldn't worry. But down here, I would definitely worry because that's concerning. Very concerning down here. Her rotation is increased a little bit. There's a hail spike in this. This right here is a hail spike. So there is very large hail in this, I'm assuming. Not debris, though. You can see it. You can see the hook. This is not good, chat. Do y'all see this? This is becoming very concerning now. This is a supercell. For real now. This is an actual supercell. It is hooking. It is now starting to hook. If it can get itself together, it's gonna become a mature supercell more than likely. But it's trying. It's really trying. So, yeah, if you're in... Let me read the counties out. If you're in southwestern Grant Parish in north central Louisiana, and southeastern Natchitoches? I don't know how to say that. Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, I would seek shelter. I know the county is from this name. I don't know how to pronounce the name at all. But if you're in that county, yeah, like, take shelter. I would prepare for this, actually. Let's see, because it's moving northeast. Actually, it's the wrong thing. It's moving 45 miles per hour, right? So, all right, this storm will be in Kurthwood in 2 minutes. Fisherville in 4 minutes, Alico in 5 minutes, Mink in 10 minutes, Mara in 19 minutes, and Durham in 21 minutes. Total population, it says 0, but I don't think that's true. But yeah, this is where the rotation's at, and that's where it's heading to. So if you are in that, or in any of those towns, or anywhere near those towns, I would seek shelter. Oops, wrong thing. All right, yeah, this is a hook now. We have a hook. So there's more than likely going to be a tornado warning for this now. There is 100% a hook now with this storm. So I would highly advise everybody in this town to, like, or everybody in this severe thunderstorm warning right here to take shelter. If you're in Highway 920 or Highway 17 or Highway 465, I would take shelter. I wouldn't even drive into the storm because this storm is now becoming a very dangerous storm. It was showing signs earlier, but it, like, dissipated. Well, it didn't dissipate, but it was showing signs earlier, and it didn't do anything. Now it's showing better signs, and now it's probably going to do something. I won't be surprised if they issue a new tornado warning for this storm because it's really concerning. Let's check on this storm up here, though. We can't forget about this storm. This storm is it's still looking like it's wanting to produce something. There's still no debris signature, but there is still rotation. I think there's 2 areas of rotation now. You got this one right here and this one right here. So I would be aware of that. Dodson, be careful of the northern rotation. Yeah, look at that. That's right below Dodson. The new rotation, or the upper rotation, I guess you could say. Right? Yeah, it's like south of Dodson, Louisiana. So Winfield is getting a bunch of damaging winds right now, but Dodson is getting where the rotation is at and a possible tornado is possibly at. Let's look at the CC. There's nothing with the CC yet. Oh my. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, let me see. Is that a debris ball? I'm gonna circle this real quick. I can't switch it back. Dang it. This is not a debris signature, I don't think. Yeah, this is not a debris signature. It's not debris. Don't worry. But it is looking mighty concerning now. Like, really concerning, as a matter of fact. Actually, let's go 3D. Wow, y'all can see it. Alright, so I'm on 3D. Y'all can see the inflow notch. This is the inflow notch. This is where all, like, this area right here, where it's, like, notching at, that is moisture going into the storm. That is what's creating this rotation. Look at that. Look at those echo tops right there. That is wild. It is definitely trying to do something. I'm gonna take my phone with me real quick. I'm gonna unplug it from the my charger. I'm gonna check the TV and see if my stream is still up. Hopefully it's still okay. Y'all can still hear me, right? Y'all can still see me. I'm gonna double check real quick. I'm gonna check the live. Okay, yeah, I'm still live. It's just my TV down here is acting a little off. I don't know why. I just had to double check and make sure. I am gonna watch another weather streamer so I can see. Holy. Yeah, I am really concerned about this storm, Chad. This is not a good looking storm at all. This looks like it's going to do something. I am very concerned for the people in Louisiana right now. Actually, Vince Welty is on it. Yep, here we go. We have a tornado warning now. I was expecting this. I think a lot of people were expecting this. But yeah, we are now having a tornado warning. I need to blow my nose really bad. So there is a tornado warning for southwestern Grant Parish in north central Louisiana, and southeastern Natchez County, Natchez Parish, and northwestern Louisiana. And this is 2:24 p.m. Yeah, hazard tornado and quarter-size hail. Yeah, this needs to be watched carefully, both of these storms. So we have 2 tornado warnings right now. And now there's another tornado warning for the same storm, but this is just for the box area, because the box area is like a little weird. Brad Arnold, the Ryan Hall team, and Vince Welty is on this storm, which is good. They need to be on this. I don't want to watch their live streams because I don't want to like be copyright strike from them or get copyright strike. But it is definitely looking concerning. I don't see that much rotation, but there is a hook and it is trying to do something. So I will be very concerned about this storm. This storm is also very concerning. Actually, this is really concerning now. It's now past Dodson. No debris. Like I said, there's no debris yet. But now, I just want to check on this storm real quick. Is there debris on this storm? I don't think that's debris. This is near Mink. This is coming right for Mink, actually. If you're in Mink, near Highway 18, I would be definitely weather aware. In 920, if y'all are on those highways, I'll be weather aware right now. Because y'all have a storm that's coming for you. A really bad storm, as a matter of fact. I'm going to pause the stream for a second. Because I need to get a tissue real quick. I'm going to go blow my nose. So I'll be right back. I just got to figure out how to pause it. Shield. All right, so I think I paused it. Okay, I am back. I'm back. All right. So let's check on these storms real quick. I had to go blow my nose real quick. Everything's cool. This storm doesn't look too concerning anymore. Um, yeah, it's still kind of a hook, but it's not as prominent as the storm down here. Yeah, look at all the storm chasers are coming towards this storm. I told y'all, like, what, 30 minutes ago? When it was all the way down here, that this was the storm to do something, or try to do something at least. And now there's it's prompted a tornado warning, so that it means something. Tornado and quarter size hail. Definitely a concerning storm. Here it is. Here's the rotation right here. So you got greens going like this, basically, and the red's going like that. So green's going towards the radar and red's going away from the radar. And in the middle indicates rotation, obviously, as you can see by the arrows. So, and this is moving northeast. So this is moving right towards where Vince Welty is at. Like where he's at, I think that's going to go like right towards him. Actually, let me see the track of the storm. Yeah, this is going like right towards him, if not below him. Yeah, that storm is not really too concerning no more. This is the most noticeable storm. Let me check and see if there's any other storms that I notice that looks suspicious. Right now, I don't see any. No, it's just this storm. Let's look at this from radar scoped. Yeah, look at that. This is not really a populated area, so I don't think we have to worry about a bunch of people being in the way of this, but I would still be concerned. Because there is still rotation, as you can see. Like right here, if I circle this right here and move this, that's exactly where the rotation's at. So I am gonna move the chat to the side right now. Inflow notch is being, it's not as noticeable anymore, but there's still inflow notch. And RFD definitely got a little bit better. So there is some decent rotation in the storm now. This is a lot of rotation actually. Let's check the velocity. Alright, velocity is starting to pick up a little bit. It is starting to pick up. All it takes is for these two colors to intensify and be next to each other. Because look at that. I circled the rotation area. That's where the hook is at. The tornado will be right there where I just circled it at. If there is a tornado on the ground. I don't think there is right now. But there possibly could be one in the future. So I will take shelter. Let's go to radar Omega again. I think it got the update too. This is Highway I-49, I'm pretty sure. This is a major highway too, actually. Or this actually is an interstate. Yeah, this is an interstate. Interstate 49. Yeah, y'all gotta watch out if y'all are on Interstate 49, because there's definitely a storm, a potent storm actually, is heading that way. That's why there's a bunch of storm chasers on there too. Yep, they're all on their way down there. We still got 25 minutes left of it. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. I think there's a tornado on the ground. Yeah. Look at this right here. That might be it right there. I am almost certain there's a tornado on the ground. There has to be. There's no way. Yeah, that's a tornado, guys. I think that's a tornado right there. We need another radar scan. That is more than likely a tornado on the ground. They're probably gonna upgrade this warning if there's a debris signature. Velocities are picking up big time. Is this it right here? I'm gonna circle this. Wait, that doesn't work. Let me see. Let me go to radar scoped. There's some tight rotation right here. So let's circle this. Let's go to the CC. That might be debris. Circle that. Let's go to the velocity. Yeah, that's a tornado on the ground. It matches that. All right, so this right here, this is a tornado. That is a debris signature. I'm pretty sure. Because it matches up with the velocity almost. Yeah, it matches up with the velocity. There's no way that's not a tornado. So there is a tornado on the ground now. Oh my god, if that's a debris ball, then that's not good. But there is 100% a tornado on the ground. I'm almost certain now. This is heading right for Gorom, actually. Is this confirmed? This is not confirmed. But velocities are picking up on a signature. This might be a small tornado heading right for Gorham, Louisiana. This is, let's hope it doesn't get any bigger and hit the town, because that would not really be good at all. Right now, it looks pretty small. It might dissipate. It depends. Nobody said anything in chat yet. This is really concerning. So there is what it looks to be possibly a brief tornado touchdown. I'm gonna go back to radar scoped. Yeah, look at that. That looks really bad. That this whole, I don't think this is a whole debris ball. I don't think so. But it is a really, like, it's probably rain wrapped, the tornado. You probably can't even see it. But this is a defined supercell. This is a hook now. This is what I was talking about at the beginning of the stream. So there is now a hook. Radar indicated still. There's a still radar indicated tornado. So it's not confirmed yet. But I think it's on the ground. Because from what I've seen on the radar. Yeah, let's circle this one more time. This is the rotation. Red going towards the radar. And red's going away. Oh, wait. Wrong way. Green's going towards and red's going away. In the middle is rotation. Circle that. Go to this. It's probably what this is right here. The correlation coefficient updates earlier or faster than the velocity. Let's keep that circle there. Yeah, this is the tornado, chat. The reflectivity just updated, and that is like right exactly where I circled that CC drop at. And the velocities are probably going to update here in a couple of seconds. So just give us some time. Let's check the CC drop again, though. Look, that's the CC drop right there. CC drop, and then this is the velocity. Yep, so this was a brief tornado. I don't think it's on the ground anymore now. Because it looks like it doesn't look like it's dissipating, but there is debris. There is debris in the storm. So this was a tornado. I'm not sure if it's on the ground anymore. I'm not sure if it's recycling. But you can see the inflow and RFD coming down right in the middle, rotation. And you can see the supercell shape too, but it is going into another storm. I don't know if that's going to help the RFD or if it's going to hurt the storm. I'm not sure. This is still radar indicated. Yeah, this is still radar indicated. So we're... Yeah, it's not confirmed, but I think it was a brief tornado touchdown just now. I'm pretty sure it was. This is like right next to Gorham, Louisiana. I wonder what they're seeing right now over there. Let's check out on this other storm. It's still no CC drop. It's not really anything anymore that I'm worried about. I'm worried about this storm more you know, more than the other one. Because this storm looks like it's producing a tornado, and it might produce another one, actually. Actually, Vince Welty is on this. Like, he's on it right now. Yeah, go subscribe to Vince Welty's channel, too. He's a storm chaser. But, yeah, I'm going to click on his thing.
The northbound side of 49, so I'm looking around to check on them to make sure everybody's okay. They freaking smashed into the barrier, and we're facing into traffic, so I don't think I'll make it down in time.
You can probably disregard. They got EMS and fire in and out. It was just minor injuries.
I think it was a tornado. This is a tornado. Yep, it was a tornado. Because they're talking about it now. I think they were just talking about people's, like, I don't know. All I heard is that they couldn't make it down. I think there was damage. There might have been damage. Yeah, they got to be careful. Oh my, yeah, this is not good. This is real right here. This is getting real. He's going right into where the rotation's at. He got to be careful. Like I said, if you want to go watch his video right now, go watch his video. It's the same thing as what I just clicked on, Vince Welty. And if y'all want to watch another streamer too, go to check out Ryan Hall too. To give out information. Because I'm just providing the coverage. I don't know. I can try to provide information too, but that's going to be hard because I'm going to have to go through Twitter and all that. And, you know, I don't want to, you know, I feel like going through all that. So this is now definitely a tornado on the ground. This is for sure a tornado. Is this confirmed? Observed tornado. Here we go. A confirmed tornado was located over Lena, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard damaging tornado in quarter-size hail. Radar confirmed tornado. Take cover now. Observe tornado. So there is a tornado on the ground, and the debris signature is getting bigger. This is becoming a big tornado. So take cover now is what it's saying. There is a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground in Louisiana right now. I'm gonna check this real quick. Vince is going right into the storm. Let's just see some real quick. He lost connection. So he lost connection. Well, the Ryan Hall team they're waiting for the storm to come. This is Brad.
Yeah, reverse into their driveway.
Yeah, Vince is going into the storm. If you're in Janney, like, you need to take cover now. Like, if you haven't before. You have plenty of time to take cover. There's a storm. There's a tornado coming for you. You need to take cover. Wow. Yeah, that's a debris signature right there, chat. That's a debris signature. And I think it's moving right towards Janney. So if you're in Janney, Louisiana, you need to take shelter now. Like, no joke. Man, this hit Gorham. I think this is debris from Gorham. I hope everybody in Gorham is okay. Because that definitely hit. I think it's a small little town, but still, though, that they got hit, I think, directly. Let me see. Yeah, they were directly impacted, I'm pretty sure. That's not good. He might come across a tornado here in a moment. It is like right next to him. Vince is right here, as y'all can see, and then this is the debris signature, or where the tornado is probably at. It's probably over here now that I think about it. Because this is not updated yet. It's probably next to Vince, so he has to be like really careful. Let me see something. Is he back
Dead
online?
end. It's a mud pit. Barely got out of it, but I'm coming back up. I fully believe it's on the ground because it's.
Yeah, he just says on the ground. It's right over him, actually. So the debris signature is right over him. He's right into it. Yeah, they need to be careful right there. The storm looks like it's dying, though. It's not as... Yeah, it's not as, like, promising as it looked before. The storm looks like it's, like, dissipating, kind of, or, the tornado type. The tornado area, like, where the hook is at. Looks like the hook is going into itself, so... I think it might be lifting. I'm gonna check the this radar real quick. Yeah, there's not really a hook anymore. There's still an inflow notch, but it's not as noticeable. I think it's a debris fan out right now. This is debris fanning out, which I really think came from that one town. Where is it at? It's so small you can't even see it on a map. What's that town called? Gorham. Yeah, that town Gorham, I think got hit pretty hard. Yeah, there's no rotation for the storm anymore, so I don't believe it's on the ground anymore. It was on the ground before, but now it's starting to lift. Let's see. Let's check on the other cells that are out there. The popcorn cells. There's still not much happening with them yet. But I'm telling you, they might do something. They might do something. I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a drink of water real quick. I'm gonna leave my phone here for a second. I'm gonna go check something real quick. I'll be right back. Actually, I'm gonna turn on the pause mode. I'm gonna pause the stream real quick. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, chat. All right, I am back. Let's see what the storm's trying to do now. I am gonna have to end the stream at 4. I'm gonna do a new one. Don't worry, I will be back live again. But we are now getting into the area or the time where I think all the storms are gonna start rotating. Like, look at this right here. That look at that bean. That's a bean. You see this? You see all these right here? All of these are going to try to rotate. And this is the big bad boy up here that produced that tornado. The inflow notch is actually back again, but there's rain going into it. There's showers going into it, so it's probably not gonna produce anything yet. Let it get itself together first, though. I'm gonna say let it get itself together first. This is heading right for Colfax, Louisiana. I would say this entire county up here needs to like watch out for this storm, because this storm is moving. The danger zone of this storm is moving like that into that general vicinity. So this will be moving to Mississippi soon. Yeah, right now it might be recycling. I'm not truly sure, but I think it's recycling. Because if it is, then we may have another problem here. New update. It's not looking too good, actually. I don't think it's going to be recycling. Not this incident right now. But Alexandria, you better watch out for this storm. This storm is definitely trying to do something. Yeah. Yeah, that storm in Alexandria is looking menacing, not going to lie. It's literally a bean. It's hooking. Yeah, the inflow in Alexandria, that storm is really concerning. I am going to... Let me see something. Yeah, that windfill storm is dissipated. It's no longer a threat. Mesoscale discussion. Let's see. Prefrontal convection. Okay. So what they're saying is kind of the prefrontal convection, if it keeps happening, basically down in this area right here. If we get a storm by itself that can mature completely into a supercell, kind of like what Alexandria is doing, that storm. If it can like get itself together, it could possibly be a long track supercell. Which, yeah, I don't think they're lying. Yeah, this is really concerning. They're probably going to issue a new tornado watch for this area of Mississippi where Jackson is at, which is the biggest city in this tornado zone area, the 10% area, hatched area. It's the biggest city. Monroe is not the biggest city. Shreveport is not in the risk no more. I know that for sure. They were in the 10%, but now they are not. I am going to end off the stream here. I just want to check up on everything. So there was a tornado touchdown, which was insane. Right near what's that town called? Gorham. I believe there's more than likely damage in Gorham because there was a debris ball in Gorham. And Jenny too. Jenny and Gorham were like the two towns I think that got hit the most by this storm so far. This storm is not doing much right now as of tornadic activity, but it will more than likely try to recycle again, and it will probably try to drop another tornado again. So I would like be careful if I were you in Colfax and Pollock with that Dry Prong and Georgetown. Maybe all the way up to Jenna and Ola in Louisiana. I would watch out. Those towns up there, I would watch out for this storm. Alexandria, you just had a special weather statement for y'all because of this storm. This storm is looking really concerning only because it's by itself. But here's the thing. It might get sucked up into the big bad storm up in Colfax. So I'm not sure. Unless it changes trajectory to the northeast or just east in general, then I can see the storm possibly dying off. But if there was nothing there, this storm will probably have the opportunity to produce a very long track tornado, possibly. Just by the looks of it. This just doesn't look good at all. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. I will see you guys in a little bit. I am gonna go back live again. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. See you. Like and subscribe and